Good evening, class. In the series of Fundamental of Maths, yesterday we were discussing about the collinearity, the properties of collinearity. In that we had discussed the two modus operandi so as to demonstrate how to prove that the points are collinear. Mainly in the collinearity, we are taking minimum 3 points. 3 points will be there for checking whether the points will be collinear or not. So yesterday we had discussed two modus operandi earlier. First was one of the slope method, and the second method, it was the summation method. That is, if we had considered the 3 points, namely A, B and C, so the sum of AB and the sum of BC should be equal to the sum of AC. Then and only then the points are said to be collinear. Now today we will be discussing the third modus operandi so as to judge whether the points are collinear or not. So in that case we will be taking one process known as the area of triangle. In the area of triangle, if the area of triangle, there is one formula is there. If the area of triangle is coming to the 0, then we can say the points are said to be collinear. So this is the basic formula for the area of triangle when it comes to the coordinate geometry. Suppose there are three sides of the triangle is there, AB, BC and AC. Inducing the induced angle between the two sides AB and AC is angle A, and the induced angle between the two sides AB and BC is B, and the angle between the two sides AC and CB, it is C. So there are three angles are there, angle A, angle B and angle C. For each and every side, for each and every angle, there is certain specific coordinates are there which are denoting the location of that particular point in the space. So the coordinate of A, let the coordinate of A will be x1 y1, the coordinate of B will be x2 y2, and the coordinate of C will be x3 y3. Understood? And we had already discussed this is the major formula for the area of triangle when we are discussing this topic, when we are discussing this area of triangle in the aspect of coordinate geometry. So it is equal to half of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the area of triangle. And if after substituting the values of the coordinate x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, if it is coming in this formula, if it is coming, the outcome is coming 0, then we can say that the points are collinear. Okay, so this is the basic formula. And now I will be taking one example and I will certify my statement which I had mentioned regarding the modus operandi, regarding the procedure, how we are working out on the same, so that we can establish the relationship between these 3 points, and finally we can state the points are collinear or not. So we had taken one example. Let the coordinates of A is 1, 2, the coordinates of B is 3, 4, and the coordinate of C is 5, 6. Okay, and we had just defined the values of x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2, y3 as per our convenience. So x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 3, x3 is equal to 5. Now y1 is equal to 2, y2 is equal to 4 and y3 is equal to 6. Now we had already established one relationship, and this had given us one formula. It is half of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. We will be substituting the values of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 in that respective formula. After substituting and simplifying the process, we are getting the final outcome as 0. As already stated, if the area of triangle is coming 0, then we can easily state that the points are collinear. The collinear means the points are lying on the same line, and here it is demonstrated. Suppose it is the area of triangle. See, this is the triangle, and if this area is 0, it means the area bounded by this triangle ABC will be transformed into a straight line, and which is having the points A, B and C. And in the similar way, we can say the points are collinear. The 3 points A, B and C are lying on the straight line. So today we had discussed the complete procedure for the collinearity of the points. So tomorrow we will be discussing the section formula. The section formula comprises of two parts, internal section formula and internal and external section formula. So tomorrow we will be discussing on that part. So today just see my video, like it, subscribe it, and if you have any doubt, please do mention on the comment also, so that I will just check what all the procedures can be done regarding the same. So thank you for the same. Good night.